We just had this 55th meeting of the regional board of ESI Corporation. Okay, the main agenda on the board was actually formation of the ESI society. I think many of the staff, basically ESI staff, they have got apprehension and they have got some objection as far as this society is concerned. So we have basically rejected this proposal of going. So we are going to go to the scheme only. Then there was this 150 bed hospital. The land in Bicholi is coming up, Mulgaon in Bicholi. Now what has happened? We have taken land from Housing Board. In fact, ESI, they will be building this hospital of 150 bedded hospital. At present, only the compound wall basically they have got sanction of compound wall, and the plans basically will be approved in their head office. The time frame, I think within 2 years' time, the hospital should be complete. Now we have taken stock of the ESI hospital in Margaon, South Goa ESI hospital. I think things are really badly. I will personally go for inspection on 4th. Members, we invited some of the members from the, what is it? We are thinking of appointing an administrator actually, a retired administrator maybe from earlier who worked in GMC or district hospitals, basically to set up the hospital there. Because what is happen as far as the equipment and all, what is the requirement and the full setup of doctors and all what we require. So we'll be appointing an administrator to look into that.